and hopefully within 2 years she can come back and start her kids' gym. Well, anyway, let's go back to you, Megan. Uh, so, what are the equipments that we need to get? I mean, you got the space,
Hmm.
you got the space in the mall, and then how big is it again?
It's 3,800 square feet.
Wow, I wish I
So
had that space.
I am very, very lucky.
I know.
I had a couple options at the mall to choose from. Both were about the same square footage. Um, and again, because the malls are vacant, I didn't know if I wanted to be where the majority of people are and the business that are there, kind of inside the hustle and bustle or a little bit farther away.
Hmm.
I compromised the layout of my gym so that I can get doors that close instead of most malls or stores have that garage door that open.
Hmm.
Um, and I was trying to figure out how I would, keep kids running out. So I opted for the one space that had doors as well as a larger back room, it was a former kids retail store. So the back room was their stock room. So I
Oh.
chose the main gym space is smaller than I would hoped for. But I wanted that back room